Now, this is how you can see the hotspot settings on the iPhone. Now, this is going to be pretty simple to do because all you have to do is to open up the settings, and in there, right below the cellular, you should see the personal hotspot. If you don't see it for whatever reason, just tap on a cellular and the personal hotspot should be available inside there as well. If you, however, don't have the SIM card installed or some other things are lacking, then you're just not going to have the ability to do so. So just pay attention to that. And inside of these settings, you have the option to enable other people to join, change the password, and some other things as well. So this is where you can manage it. There is the compatibility toggle and stuff like this. One more thing, if you're interested in the changing of the name, you cannot do it in these settings. You have to change it as the name of your entire device, which is part of the general and then the about section. There you can change the name of your iPhone, which is linked to the name of your Wi-Fi hotspot. So this is where you can manage this. You should also keep in mind that the carrier which you use to access the internet and therefore also share the data has also some say about you having the ability to do so. So they can limit it, they can disable it altogether. So if you don't see something, chances are that you need to reach out to them and see what they can say about it. So these are my things and the tips which I want to share with you. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit the thumbs up on this video, subscribe below to this channel, and I'm going to catch you later on in the next one.